take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do?
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. This video I'm going to be installing hair that I got from Julia Hair. All the information for this hair, of course, will be in the description box below. So this is a bye bye knots wig. Woo! So you know we love these. It's summertime finally. This is their water wave texture. This is a 7x5 closure. It is pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut lace. This is what the inside looks like. It comes on a dome cap. It has the comb at the back for you, the adjustable bands, and then the non-slip grip around the perimeter, which means this is my favorite type of wig to install. This is going to be short, sweet, and easy for you, especially if you are a beginner. So this is just a close-up of what it looks like. But really quickly, I'm going to show you what came in the box, which was this wig band, a wig cap. These are tapes if you want to use the Bye Bye Knots tape for your wig to tape it down. And it came with, of course, another wig cap, some press-on nails because they fancy now, and an elastic band to hold down your wig. So let's get into it. So jumping right into everything, I am using my Ruby Kisses cream and makeup, which is practically non-existent. Just scraping the pan here, y'all, because I'm just procrastinating on buying some more. But yeah, so I'm just using that in my flat top brush, and I am pressing the color into my wig cap. I started using wig caps again lately. I know, like, for a good little minute I stopped. But I'm like, you know what? Let's get back to these wig caps. Also partially because my hair looks real crazy. I mean, like, normally my hair looks crazy, but it looks like extra crazy. So I'm like, let me save some face and throw on a wig cap. But I have been using these a lot lately. But yeah, so I'm just coloring the wig cap, and then I'm taking the elastic band that they gave separately and I'm attaching it to the wig. Inside of the wig, there are these little loops here where you can slide the elastic band into, so you don't have to sew it in yourself. You just slide it through the loops, and then you can adjust the tightness to whatever fits your head, and voila, there you go. The wig band is now installed. So I'm just gonna slide it on my head. I started putting my wigs on like this now. Like, I put the wig band on first from the back, and then I flip it over. Maybe this was always the proper way to install a wig, and I've just been doing it wrong the whole time. But hey, here we are. I finally figured out how to do it properly. And yeah, so the wig has the little cutouts on the sides to fit comfortably around your ears. And yeah, so this is what it's looking like. This is what the waves look like. Now, mind you, it is fresh out of the bag from overseas, okay, y'all? So it's gonna look a little crunchy at first, but we're gonna fix it up. I'm just giving it a little shake test like this. 2 thumbs up. It's not slipping and sliding, so I'm definitely gonna wear this one gluelessly. This is 150 density, so this is just what the back of the wig looks like. So yeah, let me go ahead and start styling this wig. So I know I've mentioned this 1, 2, 3, 4 times before, but if you love a good look without baby hairs, I'm not that girl. Not yet. I am not that mature yet. I am still gonna pull me out some long baby hairs that touch my eyebrows, baby. I'm so sorry. I'm just the baby hair queen. I know it makes some of y'all cringe, but I can't let it go. I can't let these baby hairs go just yet. Now, some styles, they look cute without like baby hairs, but I'm sorry, I'm just not that mature yet. So yeah, I'm just cutting my baby hairs out and curling them and styling them to my liking. But if you don't want to do baby hairs, by all means, please do not put them in the wig if you don't want to. This is completely optional. So while my edges sit, I'm going to define the curls with this Moroccan argan oil foam and some water. Let me tell you, just a little bit later, I actually wound up going back in with the Afoji foam because it gives it more of a tighter curl, or tighter hold, I should say. But here I was kind of going for like a fluffier, softer look. So this argan oil foam will give you a fluffy look. It doesn't give you that like hard, it doesn't harden the hair pretty much. So I'm just wetting the hair. Well, I wet the hair already with the water, and then I went right behind it with the foam, and then I'm just taking this brush and brushing through the curls, making sure, just basically the hair, making sure the hair is drenched from foam, from water, whatever. I just don't want any ounce of this hair dry, because I'm trying to redefine the curls, so that you can see the actual curl pattern. And then I'm scrunching them upwards with my hands, just to get that really pretty water wave look, because mind you, this hair was sitting in a box for days and days, and so it looked a little crazy in the beginning. So we're just gonna fix that really quickly, but it's nothing some water can't fix. This is why I love these water wave wigs, because this is quite literally the easiest way to style some hair. And then I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer to dry the curls pretty much. You can let it air dry, but just for the purpose of the video, I was just like, let me diffuse the curls. Also, I like diffusing the curls because it like defines the curls also a little bit better than it would if you let it air dry, particularly if you take the blow dryer. I put it on hot this time, even though I usually use it on cold. I use it on hot and just like scrunched it up. Hot makes it frizzy, BTW. Made it a little frizzy, but I'm like, you know what, it's fine. But yeah, so I used the blow dryer and just like scrunched it upwards to define my curls. And quite literally, we are at the end of this style, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and take off this wig band, and then look how cute that is. And then I'm just gonna go back in with my cream makeup again and just run it along my hairline to blend in that lace with my skin. But that's it. Like, first of all, this was super simple. It took all of 10 minutes, honestly, truly, to do this. And I just want to point out here how like the waves and everything looks fluffy. This is a result of, one, using that argan oil mousse, two, diffusing it on like a hotter heat. So if you want a more defined curl, I would recommend using a curl defining mousse, and then diffusing the curls on cold air. But I wanted big fluffy hair because it's summer, you know what I'm saying? Like, I want summer, I want fluff, I want volume, I want the dramatics, and that is what I was going for. So this is cute for me. This is exactly what I wanted. Yeah. It is a very cute and lightweight. I didn't have any issues with tangling or shedding or anything with this wig, and it's really versatile. I like how like I can flip it to one side, can flip it to the other side, and it just does everything that I want it to do. The parting space in the wig, BTW, is really great. Like, you know, some wigs, like, you'll have to like pluck it to get the parting good. Not with this one. You can part it wherever you want to, and there's no plucking needed whatsoever. I also put this hair into like a little half up, half down, just to show you like the versatility. Yeah, and I thought this was cute. I love a little half up, half down style, y'all, but really just to show you the versatility. Like, you don't always have to wear it like if the middle part or with the side part. Like, you can really do some things with it. If I was a little bit more creative or knew how to braid better, you could put some like cute braids in the front, but I, one, didn't have time for all that, two, didn't have skill for that. But you know, you get the gist of it. This is what it's giving. It's giving cute, flirty, and fun for the summertime, period. But yeah, like I said, this hair is really soft and thick and full, and it's really cute. And definitely check out Julia Hair. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.